Welcome to Dracula's garden.
Of course, always try to buy an organic source. Blood meal, bone meal, the whole works. Just cause.
What you want to do is you want to dust. Just a little at a time.
When watering, you just want to be rain. So raindrops on the plants and let it all soak in.
Same deal. You know when I planted these. You know exactly when I planted these. Look at that. One seed, one very healthy plant.
Well, this is how I do it. Furrow, set them in, press them down, good to go.
Now these are all super beefsteaks. I don't know who they came from. God, they came from God. And like I said, the basil on either side, and then what we're gonna do is blood. And let me give you a little more about blood. You want your soil to be black, right? Black soil. Well, then you want blood. The other thing is it brings worms and it keeps away animals, because who wants to be around Dracula? Besides me.
So if you're any kind of vampire, this is the stuff to use. And I'm kind of being excessive in here because I want my tomato plants to be vampires too.
And like I said, when you water, it's just a light spray, mist. I'm gonna water those up there.
All those extra tomatoes, so let's repot them.
Oh, there's a good one. Now this is just an organic, certified organic starter mix. And that's all you need. And so I put it in dry. This is going to be to here, I guess. And then I'm going to start loading around them. Don't worry about the dirt because it's, dirt. Look at that, incredible. One.
Okay, you know the act, repetition. There, look at that one. That's a nice one. A couple more. Very nice. Keep at it. And now I want to show you the progress of our zucchini plant. May 13th. May 18th. Yesterday, May 25th. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.